Many of you have seen my Robinhood click down videos. They're actually a lot more popular than I could have imagined. But a lot of people, or not a lot of people, some people are asking what the point is of the Robinhood click downs. And so on the cash management app, or portion of the app, so it's about the second screen over, you'll see the cash management side of it. And in there's a little card. If you sign up, you get to pick your card, the kind of what you want it to look like once they actually roll out the program. So until they roll out the program, you're assigned a place in line by the date that you signed up at. And so that's your place in line. Now, let's actually check here where we are at. 544,000 people have signed up for the cash management app, promising an over 2% return on deposits. And then the debit card, would allow you to use it as you would your bank debit card. Now, what's the point of clicking down? Well, when you click down on the symbol of the card, it's not the actual card, it's a picture of the card that you selected. When you touch that with your finger, with whatever it is you want to use to click with, you can click on that and you'll see the number go down by one. That means the place in line is being lowered by that one. And you can do right now 1,000 clicks a day is the max per day, and that gets you 1,000 places lower than in line from the point at which you started clicking. Now, there's really not much point in this mini game. I would consider this a mini game. There's not much point in it other than once they roll out the program, you're that much closer to getting access to it. So hopefully whomever is first in line by the time they roll it out will get it first, and so on and so forth. So there's two ways that you can get that access to that program sooner. One is by clicking down, and then the other is just by waiting, and you can do both, or you can do neither. But go ahead and give me a little tickle on that thumbs up, the little like button. And thanks for watching. Let me know what kind of content you enjoy, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I'm always happy to give a little tweak, or twink. It's a twitching wink, a twink. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Once I get subscribership enough, I will roll out the bonuses for the Rat Pack for those who become members. Until now, subscribe, and I hope in the future to release other contests and perks to give you a thank you for liking my content. All right, have a great day, guys.